Welcome back to All Old Rare Coins channel. Have you ever checked the change in your pocket and wondered if any of those coins could be worth more than their face value? Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the 2001 USA 1 dime coin, a piece of currency that might just surprise you with its hidden value. At first glance, this coin might seem ordinary. It's a standard Roosevelt dime minted in Denver, as indicated by the D mint mark on the reverse side, just below the torch. Like millions of other coins minted that year, it features Franklin D. Roosevelt's profile on the obverse, a tribute to the man who led the nation through challenging times and played a significant role in the New Deal. The reverse showcases the torch, olive branch, and oak branch, symbols of liberty, peace, and strength. But what makes this coin special? Why are collectors searching for it? Let's explore the fascinating world of coin collecting, where every detail matters. One of the most intriguing aspects of coins like the 2001 D dime is their condition. While many were circulated, showing signs of wear and tear, a select few remained in pristine, uncirculated condition. These are often graded by experts and can achieve high values based on their rarity and condition. If you happen to have one in mint or near mint condition, you're holding something far more valuable than 10 cents, then there are the errors. Some coins were minted with mistakes, such as double strikes, off-center designs, or misaligned dies. These errors make the coin unique, transforming it into a collector's dream. Imagine finding a dime in your collection with such a fascinating error. It could instantly become a prized possession, but the real magic lies in the hunt. Coin collectors, also known as numismatists, cherish the thrill of discovering hidden treasures. They study the mint marks, year of minting, and even the smallest imperfections to determine the value of a coin. Now, let's talk numbers. Most 2001 D dimes are worth no more than their face value in circulation. However, if you're lucky enough to own one in perfect condition, especially with unique characteristics or minting errors, the value can skyrocket. Imagine holding a coin in your hand that's worth significantly more than its original value. Finally, here's the moment you've been waiting for. There is one rare variation of the 2001 D USA 1 dime that has reached astonishing heights in the world of coin collecting. In specific conditions and with unique attributes, it has been valued at $35,000. Next, we're taking a closer look at the 2016 D USA 1 dime coin, a fascinating piece of American currency that has captured the attention of collectors across the globe. On the surface, the 2016 D dime appears to be just another coin in your spare change. It features the classic design of President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse, a tribute to his remarkable leadership and enduring legacy. On the reverse, we see the familiar torch flanked by an olive branch and an oak branch, symbols of liberty, peace, and strength. And beneath these iconic details is the D mint mark, indicating it was struck at the Denver Mint. So, why is this dime so special? What sets it apart from millions of others produced that year? Let's uncover its secrets. First, let's talk about condition. Most coins in circulation experience wear and tear. They get scratched, nicked, or tarnished over time. But some coins, especially those preserved in mint condition, can be worth significantly more. Collectors prize coins that remain in pristine, uncirculated condition. These coins, graded by experts, can fetch impressive prices at auctions or in private sales. Next, we need to consider minting errors. Occasionally, during the production process, mistakes occur. These errors could include double strikes, off-center designs, missing details, or even misaligned dies. While these mistakes might seem like flaws, they're a goldmine for collectors. A coin with a unique error is a one-of-a-kind piece, and rarity always drives up value in the numismatic world. But beyond errors and condition, there's something else that makes the 2016 D dime so intriguing: its potential rarity. While the Denver Mint produced millions of these dimes, a small number stand out due to their exceptional preservation or distinctive characteristics. These coins have become the subject of intense interest among numismatists. For collectors, the hunt for valuable coins is more than just a hobby, it's a passion. They scour their change, attend auctions, and trade with others, all in search of that one elusive treasure. And every once in a while, someone discovers a coin that changes everything. So, let's get down to the exciting part, the value. If you're lucky enough to own a 2016 D dime in perfect condition, or one with rare and intriguing errors, its worth could be astonishing. In fact, there's a specific variation of the 2016 D USA 1 dime that has been valued at $16,000. Now, we're going to uncover the fascinating story behind the 2018 D USA 1 dime coin, a piece of American currency that might just be worth far more than you could ever imagine. At first glance, this dime looks like any other in your pocket. The obverse features the profile of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a tribute to his remarkable contributions to the nation. On the reverse, you'll find the iconic torch, flanked by an olive branch and an oak branch, symbols of liberty, peace, and strength. And, of course, there's the D Mint mark, proudly indicating that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. But don't be fooled by its ordinary appearance. This dime has a story that makes it extraordinary. Let's dive into what makes the 2018 D dime a hidden gem in the world of coin collecting. One of the first things collectors look for in a coin is its condition. Coins in circulation often bear the marks of their journey, scratches, dings, and general wear. However, a coin that has been preserved in pristine, uncirculated condition becomes a collector's dream. Such coins are graded on a meticulous scale, with higher grades significantly increasing their value. If you have a 2018 D dime that looks untouched by time, you might already have something special. Then, there's the allure of minting errors. Occasionally, during the production process, mistakes occur that make a coin unique. These errors could include double strikes, off-center designs, or even missing details. Far from being flaws, these anomalies make the coin one of a kind, transforming it into a sought-after treasure for collectors. Imagine discovering a 2018 D dime with an unusual error. Its value could skyrocket. But rarity isn't just about errors. Sometimes, a small batch of coins stands out for other reasons, like an unusual shine, a distinctive strike, or simply being from a limited run that went unnoticed. These coins often become the stars of the numismatic world, their value rising as collectors recognize their uniqueness. For coin enthusiasts, the thrill of the hunt is everything. They spend hours searching through rolls of coins, studying tiny details, and attending auctions, all in pursuit of the next big find. Every coin tells a story, and for collectors, each discovery feels like uncovering a piece of history. Now, let's get to the part that will truly amaze you. While most 2018 D dimes are worth no more than their face value, a rare variation of this coin in immaculate condition or with a unique feature has caught the attention of experts. This specific variation has been valued at $15,000, yes, you heard that right. A tiny coin, just 10 cents in face value, could be worth a small fortune. Look now. Next, we'll take a closer look at the 2021 D USA 1 dime coin, a tiny piece of American currency with the potential to be worth far more than you'd expect. Let's uncover the secrets of this fascinating coin and why collectors are clamoring to get their hands on it. At first glance, the 2021 D dime appears ordinary, a coin many people barely notice as they go about their day. The obverse features the classic profile of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, honoring his leadership and enduring legacy in American history. The reverse depicts the familiar torch, olive branch, and oak branch, symbols of liberty, peace, and strength. And just below the torch, the D Mint mark indicates that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. So, what makes this dime so special? The answer lies in the fine details that many overlook. Let's dive into what turns this small coin into a potentially valuable collectible. One of the most critical factors is the coin's condition. Coins that have been in circulation often show signs of wear, such as scratches, nicks, or discoloration. However, coins that remain in pristine, uncirculated condition are incredibly rare. These coins, often graded by professional numismatists, can command a premium price in the market. If you happen to have a 2021 D dime in mint condition, you might be sitting on something extraordinary. Another aspect that excites collectors is the possibility of minting errors. During the minting process, mistakes occasionally occur, double strikes, misaligned dies, or off-center prints, for example. While these errors might seem like flaws, they're highly prized in the world of coin collecting. An error makes a coin unique, and rarity always drives up demand. Imagine discovering a 2021 D dime with a fascinating error. Its value could multiply instantly, but even without errors, there's something special about coins like the 2021 D dime. Collectors look for unique features, such as sharp details, unusual luster, or a specific variation that sets a coin apart. In the case of this dime, certain variations have already sparked intrigue among collectors, making it a sought-after piece for anyone serious about numismatics. The hunt for coins like this is more than just a hobby for many, it's an adventure. Collectors spend countless hours sifting through change, studying mint marks, and attending coin shows, hoping to uncover a hidden gem. Every coin tells a story, and the thrill of discovering a rare piece is what keeps collectors coming back for more. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for: the value. While most 2021 D dimes are worth just their face value, there's a rare variation of this coin that has stunned experts in the numismatic world. In flawless condition and with unique characteristics, this particular coin has been valued at $12,000. Yes, that's right. A dime, a coin worth just 10 cents in most people's eyes, could fetch a price that's truly life-changing. Especially, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 2022 PUSA 1 dime coin. This tiny piece of currency might seem ordinary at first glance, but for some lucky individuals, it has become a treasure worth much more. Let's explore what makes this coin special and why collectors are paying attention. The 2022 P dime follows the iconic design we've all come to recognize. The obverse features the profile of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, honoring his legacy and contributions to American history. On the reverse, the Torch of Liberty shines brightly, flanked by an olive branch representing peace and an oak branch symbolizing strength. Beneath these elements is the P mint mark, signifying that the coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint.So. What makes this particular dime stand out from the millions of others minted that year? The answer lies in the details. First, let's talk about condition. Coins that have been circulated often bear the marks of their journey: scratches, dirt, and general wear. However, a coin that remains in pristine, uncirculated condition is highly prized among collectors. These coins are often graded by professionals on a detailed scale, with higher grades fetching significantly higher prices. If you have a 2022 P dime that looks as if it was just minted yesterday, you could already be holding something special. Then, there's the allure of minting errors. Mistakes made during the production process, such as double strikes, off-center prints, or missing details, are rare but incredibly valuable. These errors turn an ordinary coin into a one-of-a-kind piece, and rarity is the cornerstone of value in the numismatic world. A 2022 P dime with an unusual error could command a premium price and spark intense interest from collectors, but even without errors, there's still the question of rarity. Among the millions of dimes minted each year, a few stand out due to unique features, exceptional quality, or limited availability. Coins with sharp details, brilliant luster, or unusual characteristics often catch the eyes of collectors and become highly sought after. For coin enthusiasts, the hunt for rare finds is more than just a pastime, it's a passion. They carefully examine their change, search through rolls of coins, and attend auctions, all in hopes of uncovering a hidden gem. Every coin tells a story, and the thrill of discovering something extraordinary is what makes numismatics so exciting. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for: the value. While most 2022 P dimes are worth just their face value of 10 cents, there's a rare variation of this coin that has stunned the numismatic community. In perfect condition and with unique characteristics, this particular coin has been valued at $10,000. Imagine that. A coin you might find in your pocket change could be worth more than you ever thought possible. So, don't overlook the small details. Check your coins carefully, because you might just uncover a treasure hiding in plain sight. Keep searching, stay curious, and who knows? You could find a piece of history that changes your life forever. Like, comment, and thank you for watched.